Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have one more Android G2 Indus PS machine. Today we are going to unboxing and taking how many accessories are there with G2 Indus Android. Now let's go. We are going to unbox it. First of all, we have like this some packing. We have opened this. There was one Android machine and one paper roll, one data cable and one adapter. Wait a minute, I'm showing you. There is one like this charger. It has some specification like push this and remove this. If anybody have four mouth adapter in their home, then he also use this in that. And we put this like and push it downwards, then it always set. Now we come on Android machine. First of all, we on this like this some specification of Android machine. This is the right side, this is back of machine. In back there was one torch and one camera. It is of Nexus company, made in China. POS terminal. It has lithium-ion battery. In left side it has one power button, two charger adapters, one volume switch. Now we on the machine. This is the first look of the swipe machine of IndusInd Bank. Wait a minute, the machine is starting now. This is a first view of our Android machine. See this, it is processing. I show you after it on. Now the machine is started. We do like this upward. It has 15 apps. One is setting, one is update tool, XTMS center, pay swipe jet, play store, etc. maps, Indocin merchant, Canada Air, POS, file managing, gallery, other etc. apps. We open the Indocin merchant like this. First of all, we open machine. There is processing. This is also the second view of our Indocin Bank app. First of all, he get a pin. I fill my pin. Now it is processing. Now this is a review of the app. Here is, now I have one credit sale, UPI QR code and maintenance of our settlements. Now I want to take withdrawal money from credit card. I first of all click on this logo to collect payment. There was some ad, we cancel it. Now we click on logo. Now I have to purchase 5 rupee collect. There is also processing. Now this view. First of all, if I want to withdraw the cash from debit or credit card, I first of all click on this debit card option, and now I input our card and take out, and we take out our receipt. And this all are the functions of this Android G2 POS of Indosen merchant. This powered by Pay Specify. Thank you and have a nice day. If you want to see these types of more videos of an POS soundbox, another etc. things, you like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.